Sure. Thank you very much. We have assembled here today in a very unusual manner. Normally, it should have been in the same hall. All of us should have been there, but because of unusual circumstances prevailing, we are assembled. We have assembled online. We have assembled here to celebrate the birth centenary of Vikram Sarabhai. And in the words of Professor C.N.R. Rao, there was only one Vikram Sarabhai. Professor Vikram Sarabhai did a lot of things for India's development, and we will hear all of that. I'm particularly grateful to Professor Kasturi Rangan for organizing this event or helping us organize this event. And I'm extremely grateful to all the three speakers, Professor Ravi Grover from the Homi Bhabha Institute, Professor A.S. Kiran Kumar, who is a former secretary of ISRO, former chairman of ISRO, and Kartikeya Sarabhai, who is right now the director of CEE in Ahmedabad. So I'm extremely grateful. And as you know, there's just very recently there's been a publication of articles in Current Science with a foreword by Professor Kasturi Rangan. And I've read that issue. I've read all the articles in that issue, and I've myself learned so much about Professor Vikram Sarabhai. And one of the things that struck me was a quotation by from J.R.D. Tata, who says that, among other things, that he sought to rid science and technology of the restraints that hamstring development. So such was Vikram Sarabhai, and I'm not going to take much more time except to one more time express my deepest gratitude to all of you, Professor Kasturi Rangan, and all of our esteemed speakers today, from whom we will learn about Vikram Sarabhai on his birth centenary. I'm particularly also grateful to the Academy office, all of the staff members of the Academy, and to the two secretaries who toiled very hard to get all of this together. It takes a doing to get all of us online. Thank you very much, and we look forward to a fantastic event of learning and of paying our tribute to one of India's most esteemed sons, Vikram Sarabhai.